Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Malik Hassan here. And in today's video, we'll be looking at a quick start for DBT Cloud and Snowflake. We'll be creating a new Snowflake worksheet and loading some sample data where they are connecting with this DBT Cloud with Snowflake account, and then we'll be turning a very basic query into the model in dbt project. We'll also add some tests, and we'll explore the documentation feature of dbt, and at the end we'll have a job scheduled to automate the run in the production. And basically I'm going to follow this uh, documentation from the official dbt site, so we'll take that as a frame of reference, and we'll go through the step by step with this documentation together. Well, all right. So before getting started, we just need to make sure we have the prerequisites all checked off. So the first thing is, of course, we need both DBT Cloud account and Snowflake account. Uh, for both of them, for learning purposes, we can get both accounts for a free trial. And I'll probably make another video how we can set up trial account for both dbt cloud and snowflake. But for sake of this video, that I'm assuming that you already have the dbt account, and you can see that I have already those accounts set up on my screen, so I'll be using those already set up account for me. And one thing we have to make sure that for the Snowflake, we have to have the enterprise edition, because we like to have account admin access. There's a user role that would be required for implementation for a few of things.